Hi guys, it's Father's Day week and welcome to Card Maker with Crystal. Today we're making a toolbox card. It's so cool. Box cards can be made anyway. I mean, you could fill this with anything, and I'm going to show a couple pictures at the end of the video of how a box card could really, like, you could put flowers, you could put nail polish, you can put anything in a box card. So let's make it. Hi guys, this is basically everything you need for the card. Let's start with some scoring. So we're going to score this 9 by 5.5 and these 3 1/8 by 1 pieces of cardstock. You're going to start by scoring this one on the 9 side at 2 1/8, 4 1/4, 6 3/4, and 8 1/2. Then you turn it on the 5.5 side and score it at 2 3/4. Then you're going to score these pieces at 1/2 inch on each side. And we're going to put these aside for now, and we're going to get all our layers ready. These are all the layers for your card. So literally you're going to stick them together. Now I'm just going to tell you really quickly, a lot of persons have told me, especially in my card making groups, that they can't find the dimensions for all of these pieces. Every single dimension is in the description box. If you look at this video, down right here in the corner you'll see a downward arrow. Click on that, then click on more, and everything is there. So let's put together these pieces. As I said, all the dimensions are listed in the description box. Now we're going to put together our tools to put inside the card. I'm going to pop them on what you call acetate. Okay guys, so we have all our pieces stuck together and ready to build this card. Now let's start by putting the base together. So I'm going to just move all these things just above here because we're going to use them in just a minute. And we're going to burnish on all our score lines. So fold and burnish on all our score lines. Now you're going to do some cutting on this sheet of paper. So I'm going to use my paper cutter, and I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can cut these 3 off. And this is the first way with your paper cutter. You want to open this, put your paper cutter in, put this to 2 1/8, which is exactly where you scored it, and cut down till you get to your fold line, right? The second way is by using a simple scissors. So you can manually cut this like this. See, manually cut to the fold line. And the third way is you could use one of these, right? You line it up with the score line and cut. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 ways. So anyone can make this card. You don't have to have a paper cutter and all these fancy things. You can cut out these. Everything here is just cut out. You can print your tools and cut them out. You know, you can do it. Believe me, you can. I'm just going to use my paper cutter to cut this because it's just, to me, it's the easiest way, right? So down to the score line, right? And then once you get to the score line here, what you're going to do is you're going to make an angled cut like this and cut that off. So your card should look like this. All right. See, put these down and fold these back like so, and burnish them all, leaving this one open. And then you're going to fold, turn this over. And what I like to do is I like to install this one first before I close it. You don't have to do that. I like to do it because to me it's easier to install it when it's open. So this is the inside of your card. You're going to install this piece here. Leaves a really nice border of blue around everything. Then you're going to fold this down. I usually take a scrap piece of paper and put it here just in case any spillage of glue happens. And I'm going to put a generous amount of glue here. And then fold on not the first one, but the second score line. And leave that there. And close this card. And make sure it's stuck down well. Right? When you open it, it should open like this. And that is your box card base made. Now we're going to decorate and put the inside layers. So let's put the inside pieces to support our structures for your decorations. I'm going to put a little bit here and a little glue here. I'm going to put this on the inside of, like so. So take your card up, put this on the inside of the card, and then you're going to hold these down with your fingers like so. Like so. Then you're going to take it and bend it this way, squeeze it, open, take it, bend it this way, squeeze it, open. Make sure you're getting it to fold flat, right? And we're going to do the same thing for the other side. So now we know that our box card is set and it's lovely. It's really well done. All right, so now let's decorate the outside. This is fun, guys, and this is the fun part, I always say. So let's decorate the inside here, then we'll put the tools in, then we'll decorate the outside. Yeah, so you can fold your fold it down like so, and I'm gonna put this here. And these are your layers. As I said, all measurements are in the description box. The description box is the small down arrow just under the video on the right hand side of the bottom of the video. I'm going to stick this here. You're going to fold this back here, and I always have a piece that comes off the side like this. It looks really nice when you present the box card. So I'm going to install that now. Make sure it lines up so it's straight. Make sure it doesn't pass this and pass on top here, so that when you close your card like so, it's inside the closure of the card. See? Now let's install the front here. So we're going to install these pieces here. I'm going to take my one that closes, my tweezer that closes, and hold it down, and then I'm going to install these like so. So you're leaving about an 1/8 of an inch in between these. Look at it, make sure it looks good. I think that looks good. Just excuse all the glue on my hands. My glue is just giving a lot of trouble this morning. That looks perfect to me. So you're going to take these pieces, put glue on them, and we're sticking them on the inside on these pieces that we put in here. So I want this to hang here. right? You can never have enough hammers, right? And when you install this, you're going to close it, and then you could see if you could push it out any, and then squeeze it down. So when it comes up, you see, when it comes up is off the card, but when you close it, it's closing in so you can fit into your envelope. So I'm going to continue decorating the inside of this card and show you how to do it. So just keep putting glue here, decide where you want it to go, and then stick it down on the inside. Card. Look at that. That is so cute. It looks so nice, right? Okay, let's go on the outside and decorate the outside of the card. I'm going to close it to show you how it closes, and I'm going to decorate the outside quickly just to show you how it looks, right? So we have all these pieces that we put together, and I'm going to do like maybe 1, 2, 3, and 1. Yeah, let's do that. That looks really cute. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this very cool fold flat toolbox card. Bow! I can't get over it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in the content so you wouldn't miss any. And stay crafty, my friends.